What's going on today, guys? I'm going to be doing a hub bearing kit install on my personal trailer here, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do that. Now, I've got a 6-lug hub. I've got a kit here I just purchased. I'm going to actually be doing all of them, but obviously I'm not going to show you all of them. I'll just show you one. So let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to get your jack up your trailer. Your wheel's off the ground, right? So she's off the ground now, right? Spinning freely. Alrighty guys, so first things first, you want to get your impact, or if you are on the side of the road stranded, you might have to do it by hand, so if that's the case, don't jack up the trailer first. Loosen your lug nuts while there's weight on the tire, so you're not spinning your tire trying to take it off. Alright, well, this isn't the case for me, so I've got my Milwaukee impact here, 1/2-inch impact with a 19mm socket, and that's the size my lug nuts are. So we're going to want to take them off now. So, now that they're all out, we're left with 6 lug nuts. Let's put those aside. Our tire is completely free. Let's roll this out of the way. Now with the hammer, gently tear down on that grease fitting cap. This is where it gets messy. You're going to want plenty of rags, guys. That's why I got the gloves on. Well, that's cleared out. Let's throw that away. And really at this point, it's not the tool you need, but it's what's going to work best for you, whatever you've got. I've got these dikes here, and there's a cotter pin right here that you're going to want to bend flat. There's your cotter pin. Just removed. The new kit's got a new one, so you can toss that also. Now what you're going to do here is remove these brake parts. We're not able to remove your hub bearing assembly. This pad in the way and this in the way, so you're going to have to remove this to remove this. There's the other one. So trying to tap those studs so you can get this rotor off. Once that's off, put that to the side. Now you're able to take that cotter pin out, get that nut loose. With that, got a washer here, goes under the nut. Remember, we've got all new parts now. Oh. Now, we're going to clean all this up now. Make sure you don't have any rough areas on here, because that's just going to wear through your seals and cause salt water to get in there. If you do, just get some real fine sandpaper and kind of sand it down real smooth. I've got some brake cleaner here. Just going to use some to clean it up a little bit more. Spray it in these holes here and here. Is where the grease will exit once you pump it through. So guys, this is the plan. I've got a grease gun here. I'm just going to squirt a bunch of grease inside this. bearing. So, there's that. Front bearing back on there. Slide that sucker in. That washer in there. Clean out your nut some. Who doesn't like a clean nut? I'm going to tighten this up. Tight, loosen down a little, kind of seat on it. Now we've got our new cotter pin. Line that hole up, stick it in there. And like I said, whatever tool you want to use for this, I've just got these dikes that work for me. Bend that back. There we go. I'm going to take our cap with the removable rubber so you can squirt grease in there. And line it up. So that's how you install a new hub on a trailer. Good. If you guys don't mind, please just give this video a thumbs up, a like. And if you want to see some more how-tos or some more cool fishing or hunting videos, be sure to check out the channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.